Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are building a real-world mobile application feature using Laravel. It's not a just simple web audio player, but a fully functional native application that works on your phone. So imagine this, you just simply open your app, tap on a song and it starts playing in the background just like a Spotify. And you can also controls all the things within it. So first I'll just simply give you a demo of this, then we can again start from it. Okay. So on this section, it is showing me all the songs and I can search the song as well by just simply adding this. Okay. And the other thing is I can go to the favorite as well. So I can add in it the favorite song and I can make the playlist as well. And I can shuffle the song as well. So I just simple do is like I just simple click on these three dot and it open this slider and just click on this uh, and it added to favorite and here you can see it is in the favorite section. So I can add in it into the playlist and here you can see play it this song is added into the playlist as well. So this is great and amazing and it is giving fully professional like real world uh, audio player music player. Okay, so also I just simple click on this and it play the songs and I can seek the songs as well to any duration that I want and I can change the songs as well by just simple clicking on this, and I can also add this song to favorite by just clicking on this as well here. So this is great, amazing, and this is a short demo of this Android player that we are going to build using native PHP. So this is it, and now we can build this from scratch. So let's start. So here what I'll do is I just simple open a folder that I recently created and it is with name audio player, and I just simple open it in my IDE VS Code and I just simple open the terminal. And first of all what we do is I just simple need to set up the native PHP project, and for this I just simple use here first create the Laravel project and then we install the dependency. And for creating Laravel project, I just simple use here this command and I just simple name my project as audio underscore player or music player. Okay. So just I create this Laravel 12 project and here it start creating my project and within 1 or 2 minutes it will set up and then we can install the native plugin and dependency and then we can start working
It is
within our project. Set up successfully. So now what we have to do is we need to install one dependency and for this I just simple clear it, just clear it and just navigate to project using this audio underscore player and this is the dependency that we require for building native PHP mobile apps, and it is composer require native PHP slash mobile. Just click on enter and it will update our composer, add the dependencies within it. Okay, and here you can see it add this native PHP mobile. Okay, so all set, great. Okay, so we successfully done this, and now what I will do is like I just simply close this, and first of all we need to set up our database. Okay, and you can go with the SQLite as well because we are not saving anything in the database, but I just simply set up here the MySQL. So I just simply uncomment out this, pass here this MySQL, just save this and pass here this audio underscore player, save this, and also we need to update it from the config file. Just go to this config folder and database.php and add here this MySQL. Okay, save this, just close this, and this is audio player, and just I'll open the terminal, and this is it, and just clear it, and here use this php artisan migrate. So my database is not yet created in the MySQL, so I just simply open my database. And just open my local DB, and my database is not yet created. So what I'll do here is like when I just simply click on this, it give me option to create the database as well. Here you can see it's saying me, would you like to create the database first and then run your migration? So I just will pass here yes and click on enter. And now I just will come back to my DB, refresh it, and here you can see audio player database is created. So that's great, amazing. So we just simple do this, and the second thing is in this project we need one composer package for building this audio player, and it is basically a plugin of native PHP. So I just simply go to browser and just simple search here native PHP plugins. Just click on it and just use here native PHP. Okay, just open this first side. I also paste this side link in the description as well. Okay, so here we have some paid plugins and we have some free plugins here. Okay, so we are using in this project a free plugin, and we build a complete and music player using this plugin. Okay, just click on it, and from here what we do is we need to install this. So first of all just copy this and come to your IDE and just paste this here and click on enter. So it will start adding this in our project, all these dependency. Okay, so here you can see it added successfully. So now what we have to do is I just will come to back to here and copy this, and we need to publish the plugins in the provider as well. So I just simple copy the second command and paste this here, and it's also done. And the last thing, I just simple copy this and we just simple register this plugin with the native PHP. Okay, just paste this here. Okay, and here it is giving you some guide of using this with livewire and controller. Okay, so you can read this and get enough idea of it. And also we have some by default built-in function within it that uses audio instance, and these functions like play, seek, and many other things. Okay, so I prefer you to read this synchronization and documentation and API reference a bit. Okay, so now just this, and what we have to do is first of all we need to download some audios. Okay, and we successfully done the database and packages and all the things. Okay, and just close this, and in the public folder I need to make a just simple make a one folder and give it name audio. Okay, just save this, and within this I just simply paste some audios. Okay, so I just simply go to browser, and here what do is I just will search here and just simple write here free audio download, and you just simple open this first side, and just simple search this and scroll it down and open this site, that is uh, mix kit. Okay, and just click on enter, and here from here you can download any of the songs. So for now I just simple download these two. Okay, first one this, and I just simple download this one as well. Okay, so these two and just these two is enough. Okay, so what I'll do here is like I just simple open this and show this in Explorer. Just go to this and I just simple copy this and after copying I just simple go to my project and it is in the audio player and go to the public and go to audio and paste this here. Okay, so these are our songs. So I just simply rename it and remove this one. Okay, so you can change the name as well, but for now I'm not changing the name. I just simply left this name same as it is. Okay, just close this and just go to here. Okay, so now here you can see I have these two songs here. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so the second thing that we have to do is we need to write the backend logic. I mean, we need to first write all the functions and functionality that we need, and for this we just simple need to make the controller. So I just simple write here php artisan make controller, and I'll give this controller name this audio controller. Okay, so this controller is big, so just close this. And now what we need to do is we need to write the logic here for audio playing, seek, repeat, shuffle, and add to favorite and all the things here. Okay, so here what I just simple need to import some things as well, and it is first I'll add the package. Okay, just save this and then I just simple copy this and paste this here and use here support hash packets slash low. Okay, just save this. So these are the imports that we need, and now from here I just will write the logic. But before this, I just will come to my resources views, and I need to make here, and I want to make here a one view, and I just will give it name audio layer dot blade dot php, just this. So close this and come here, and first we write the logic and then we move to our routes and then we move to our views. Okay, start
So
writing
let's
code
start.
from here. So first I just simply define the index function. So I just simply start writing code from here, and first I just simply define the index function, and within it I just simple make the path of my mp3s, and I just simple make the array here of files, and I just will pass here the path, and Within it, just simple pass in it, make the loop to get all the MP3 audio files. And initialize here the array, and within this I will get the name of file, title, and pass here artist, and within it I just want to pass here this local collection. Pa- Pass in it the URL audio slash dot file, and just simply pass in it the path. Just this, close this, and then after here I just will add in it the else condition, like we just simple initialize the playlist on page load if it is not already active. Okay. And here I just simple make the playlist and pass in it the artist. Just close this and pass in it the files. So I just simple do this and add here a simple log for debugging purpose, like audio is initialized or get the we get the playlist or not. So I just simple do this, and here I just pass here audio set playlist, pass in it the playlist, make it false. Okay. Just this, and then here I just pass here return view audio player, pass in it compact files. Just this and close this, and then I just will define here another function that is play, and within it I just will pass here the URL, request URL, pass in it the local path, and then just simply pass here the title and artist name, and just this, and then I just add here a log to debug it as well, like playing request received or not. And within this, I just pass here the title, URL, and local path. Okay. So I just simple do this, and then here after this, I just simple I just I just simple prioritize here local path for native playback stability, and log here, debug here this as well. So just do this, close this, and then in the success, I just pass here audio play and then playback URL and then title here and artist. So just this, close this, and in the return response JSON, I just will pass here success bool, and within this pass here success true. Okay, just this, and then here after this, what I'll define here is like I just want to define it the pause function, and it is for pass the playback, and just simple use here audio pause and then return response JSON. Just do this, and then I just will define here the resume function, and within this I just will pass here the state audio get state, pass in it the logs, and then pass here current state equal to state, and then just simply pass here the if else statement, like if state does not exist or status, then I simply stop. So I just simply do this and pass here the log info native audio, and pass in it no active track, and pass here starting index 0. Just close this, and then here pass here audio play track at 0, and then else I just simply use here this resume function, and here return response JSON success true. Just do this, and then I just simply define here the native system volume. Okay, so within it I just pass here the volume level, and then just simply response with success. Pass here return response JSON success true. And then here I just will define here the public function seek, and pass here this position flat request position, and then I will pass here audio C and pass in it the position, like whenever we seek the audio file, then it just simple pass in it this seek function and just this. Okay, and then pass here success true, and then I just will define here the get state function, like get the current state of sync. Okay, and then close this, and after this I just define here the next function for playing the next song or next music. And pass here the previous as well, and then just simple pass here return response JSON success true. Just close this, and these are the functions that we define within it, and I just simple format it a bit, like this. Okay, and this. We can go and left this same as it is, but I'll just simply make here a bit responsive. Okay, and make here look good. Okay, save this and save this and save this. Okay, and save this as well. And this is our the first function. I just simple format it as well. Okay. So just save this, and these are the things that we do. This is the function, okay. And now what we have to do is I just simply go to my routes and define here the routes, okay. And then we move forward to our. I just will first import my controller, and pass here my controller, that is this. Okay. Just save this, and then what I'll do here is like I just will start writing code for the routes that we need. And these are like on the slash, I just simple return my index function, okay. And just do this, and then I just will write here and make here the prefix and name this as audio slash control. And within the group of this, I just will pass here the function, and within this, I just will pass here the routes, play, pause, and pass pass here, pause, resume, and all the things. Mhm. And pass here, resume, and pass here the seek, volume route, and then next for playing the next song. So basically, these are all the function that I pass in these route that we defined before in the controller. You know this well, you know this as well. And here I just will pass here the previous route, and slash state as well. Okay, so these are the routes that we need within this, and I just simple save this, and now
This
all things are clear,
and
and now all things are clear, and we need to comment out this because our slash route is this, and it hit this index function, and what index function return is this audio player, okay. And on this, I just simple add here HTML and just simple pass here this h1 testing, okay. And this, just close this h1, save this, and then I just simple open the terminal, and just navigate to project first, and then just simple run it. using this. Okay, so it's running and I just simple open it, and now here you can see this page is hitting this. Okay, so all good. And now I just simple come back to my IDE and just close this, and we just simple start writing code of our audio player here for the front end, and then we move forward. Okay, simple start writing code from here, and first I just simple add here the starter kit of starter template of HTML, and here I just simple first add these, and then add here the meta chrf, and pass it in the content this, and pass in it the script, and pass in it the Google APIs, and pass it this ref style sheet. Okay, just this, and then after this I just will start here the styling that I need within this, in the body and all, and after this I just simple close this, and then I just simple define here the progress bar, and make its background this, and just position absolute bottom 0, left 0, margin 0, and outline none. Okay, just close this, and then after this I just will define here the progress bar thin. Okay, and within this I just will pass here the WebKit appearance none, and width 0, and hide this. So just do this, and after this I just will define here the progress field, position absolute, bottom 0, left 0, and height 2 pixel, background color this, and pointer events none. Okay, and width 0. Okay, just this, and then after this I just simple define here the thumb for the block, big volume and scrub bars, and just add in it styling for that. And width this, height this, background color, and then border radius. And here I just will define here the cursor pointer and box shadow. This. Okay. So these are the things. And then after this, I just will define here the margin top 8% and pass in the center it on H1. Okay. And pass here this custom slider. This. And the background color transparent. And then define here the truncate two lines and pass in it display WebKit box and pass in it this and pass in it the orient vertical and overflow hidden. Just close this and then just will pass a dot bg class background color and then pass here this background fill there and pass make it blur. And here after this just will pass here background filter blur, and then after this hash mood indicator, pass in it the font size 8 pixel and padding 4 pixel. Okay, and then just simple pass here this supports. And after this just simple pass here the save, add styling for it, padding bottom, and then save top. Okay, so just I have to do this, and then after this close this style tag and close this head, and then I just will start writing code for the body and make it class initialized and add in it the div model indicator. And I just will use in it the tailwind css for it. And show here just detecting, and then close this div and then define here another h1 first, and then define here the div tab songs. So basically it's the songs tab, and just simple pass here this svg class, this, and pass in it the path. Okay, and make it stroke, and then close this svg, and then just it will make here the input for searching the songs. And pass here this button, and on this button I just will pass here this play random,
I just simple add here the unsplash image link. You can add here any other image link as well. And within this, I just simply define here the large album art and add in it same images from the Unsplash and give it class. And then after it, just simple close this and then I just simple define from here track info and favorite div. And within this, I just simple also need to add the SVG and I just will do in it some styling. And I just will give it ID and then below it I just will define the button and on this button uh, it bring me to the favorites page and I did not use any name in it. I just simply use in it the SVG. And then within it symbol add the path and just close this SVG and close this button, close this div and then a symbol define here the progress bar. And within this we just simple define the progress of a music audio file or when we play and make it within this div just pass here this np progressful. Then just simply define the class and after it style and then close it and then input on touch screen I just simple drag and drop the volume Then just simple use in it the on mouse down and on mouse up stop track. Okay, so just this, and I just simple close this div, and then below it just simple show the duration. And then I just simple define here the controls. And within this just simple define the buttons. And then on click I just simple pass the toggle playback. And just doing it this. And I just simple comment out these, but later on, if we want to use, then we can use this. But for now, I just simple uncomment out the comment out this. So these are our volume control, and also we use in it the SVG. And then after this, I just will start for action menu and bottom sheet model. And basically, these are our uh, add to playlist, add to favorite buttons. And here I just simply define the heading H3, and just do this. And here I just will make the button of add to favorites, and then add to playlist. And then after this, I just simply define here the add to this is add to favorite, and after this we just simple define add to playlist button. I'll coordinate the SVG. And then what I'll do here is like I just simply define the button for cancel. And then I just simply define here the simple toast. And then I just simple close this and pass in it the edit. Okay. And then I just will pass here the mini player, make the div for mini player controller. I just simple doing it this and make here the mini player container. And also we need to make we make the buttons within it. And pass in it the data or making it the toggle event. Just close this SVG and pass in it the ID. and then I just simply close the SVG and then define here another button, and instead of name just simple pass in it the SVG. Okay, just close this, pass in it the path, pass in it the button, close the div, and then just simple define here the progress bar. So just do this and define the class here, and then close the div, and then I just simple add here the comment for like remove the we just simple remove the sidebar for click our conflict, just this, and then close this, and just simple define here the last thing, that is bottom navigation, and after that we just simple start writing our script, and then we check this all. So just simple do need this and then uh, just close this and define the path. And on the button on click, I just simple switch the tabs and then just simple add the SVG path and then just simple define here the span and pass in it the songs and then close the button, close the div, and then here I just will start writing the script for making this hybrid audio engine. Okay, so let's quickly do this. And then just simple pass here the browse audio and use here a simple if else. And after this, just simple to initialize here the variables or UI elements and all other elements. Then just simple define here the UI elements Then pass here this mini player. And then just simple pass here the HP element and NP elements here. And define all these first. Then I just simply define here all the functions that we need, that are reveal mini player and open now playing and all the things. And then define here set active in list and pass in it the title. And after this, I just simply define here the select track. Then just simply make here the pop-up visibility. Then just simple pass here the else, and within this I just will pass here the response. And then I just will pass here, make it the function play random, and then after it, define here toggle playback. And then after it, uh, what I do is like I just simple update the UI and pass in it the is playing and then close it, and then after this define it the previous track. and pass in it the update UI and then update progress bar. And after this, just simple define here update progress bar, and pass here just simply update these components. Then after it, I just simply define the function native sync. They define this native sync function. and then just simple update the UI. And after this, I just will define here handle native track externally. And then just simple pass here the selected track data, and then close this and pass in it check state, and then use here set active in list and pass in it the state. And then close this, and then just simple define here the in progress bar, and then use here current time text content and format time, and then use here duration text content and format the time. So just do this, and then I simply close this, and then use here the and progress bar, add in it the event listener. Then after this, I just simply use here another thing. And define here the async function next thread. And just simply pass it this next track. Use here this shuffle logic. चलाओ ना. And here I just will define here the shuffle logic. Then I just will define here the options local storage. And then I just will pass here the local storage. And then use here set timeout and pass in it the styling. And then use here this close options. And then just simple use here the check favorite state. And I just simply use here toggle np favorite. And use here toggle np favorites. And use here toggle up favorites. And close this, and then I just will use here function add to favorite. And just simple in the toast, I show this success message that add to favorites. And then just simple define the function add to playlist. And after this add to playlist, just simple define the create list HTML items. and they use here this create list item HTML. And using it this making it this form. Then just simple define it that if they just close this button, close this div, and then I just will define here render favorite. and then just simple define here the render favorite to return the favorite songs. And just do this, and also we do the else in it. Just close this, and here in the else I also write a condition. Just close this, and then I just will define here the render playlist. And within this I just will render the playlist of user. After this, I just simple close the div, and in the else मैंने करी ये नहीं कि पानी आ गया तो आ गया पर टैंकी भर लेते And in the else, I just simple use here just close this for each, and just simple call these two function render favorite and render playlist on this, and then after it just simple define here the function switch tab. So basically we use this for switching between tabs. And then just simple use in it document query selector, and add in it button dot class list dot add, and use in it document dot get element by id. I just simple use here the fonts, titles, and use here search input for searching. and pass in it the item's title. I just simple close the script tag, close the body, and close this HTML tag.
With this and open the terminal and just uh, optimize it. Okay, so using this and then it's also running. So I just will go to browser and reload it, showing me this amazing interface, same like that we see in the demo. And first we test it in the browser and then we can test it on the mobile app. Okay, so I just will go to the favorite section, playlist, all things are working. I just will come to this and search here the song and click on it, and it's so I just simple play the song and it's playing. Also, I can check the seek. It's also working. And there's next and previous is also working. So this is great, amazing. Also, I can add to favorite and just go to this favorite and the song also come to favorite, and also I just simply add the song to the playlist to check it's working or not. Just click on this and now here I just simple come back again and it's in the favorite. Okay, so this is it. This is great, amazing. And also you can test the interface layout on the mobile view as well, and it is looking good, amazing. Okay, so this is it. This is all good. And now I just will come back again and just navigate to project, and here what I'll do here is like I just simple run it on the mobile application, and for this I just simple use here this command. Like I just simple uh, check it on the jump application, same as it is that we do in the previous video. So I just simple before doing this I just simple need to install this npm install. Okay, so it is done, and after this I just simple use here this npm run dev. So npm run build. So I just simple close it and use here this npm run builds. Okay, and it is building, and now all things are set. And now I just simple use here this command for running, and it is this php artisan native jump. That is this. Just click on enter, and I just will select here the platform, and now it's building the assets, and then it gave me the QR code, and we scan it from the Jump app and check the application there. It's bundle created and it's show me the server running, and it automatically open this Jump QR code. So we just simple scan it from the mobile application, and then I just simple show you from there. Simple scan the app from here now, and it is connecting to server and scanning. It's unpacking my app, and now it will open my app, preparing database. So Here you can see it show me the same interface that we see in the demo, and also I can go to the favorite and this, and also I can type and search within it. And also when I just simple click on this and add to favorite, and it show me add to favorite, and song is in the favorite added. And also I can just simple add to playlist and just click on it, and here you can see this song is added into the playlist. So this is great, amazing. And when I just simple click on it, it play the song, and I can seek it, and this previous and next song playing is also working, and I can add to favorite from here as well. So this is great, amazing. Okay, so this is it. And now you can build a complete fully functional music player app and use it in your Android phone for your personal, and we can build the APK of it as well, and deploy it on the Play Store as well. Okay, so yeah, that's how you can build a fully functional native audio player using native PHP and Laravel. So you are not just building web apps, you are building a real mobile experiences as well. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.